Hello again, my name's Eric, or Spaz. I'm the lead project programmer on Pathogen. Figure out I would record a quick update video to demonstrate what I've been working on today. There's a couple of new features that we're implementing in the future, as well as a couple of quality of life changes that have been made to various scripts. The first and foremost of which is the gun script has been updated to actually properly instantiate shells when fired, as well as perform a better direction for them, or at least better control them. It also has a better model positioning and has better control for that model positioning for different weapons. This can be seen here. There's two things that I'm still not perfectly satisfied with. The first and foremost being the direction at which it fires them. It kind of just launches them upwards um, as casings are used. I would prefer to try and have them sent at a diagonal angle. I think leftward might get in the user's eyes, so perhaps we'll send it rightward. Um, the second of which is the speed. Currently, this is the only speed that I can set for instantiation of new shells. This works well for perhaps SMGs or LMGs, but perhaps less so for other firearms, so that'll be changed as well. The crosshair has been updated to be a more reasonable size. I would still like to try and keep this weird um, in-world object for it. It's not something that's simply drawn on the HUD. It actually exists in world, and I think it fits well for the setting and has a good look. So I think we'll keep that. The second item that's being implemented is a wall run functionality, and although not currently functional, you can see that a great deal of code has been written for it here. There's a couple of factors that I'm having difficulties with implementing from the standard library of Unity attributes. Um, that will be improved in the future. I've been tinkering around with movement speed in an attempt to try and fix this. It requires a certain level of drag to be used for the wall running script. The way that Unity handles drag is very strange, however. Increasing it often seems to decrease the player jump speed. Not jump speed, I should say, but the falling rate. So the higher the drag is, the slower the player falls, and I'm not sure I want that. It makes it feel floaty. Might be good for in-air shenanigans with gameplay, but we'll play test around with it some more. Valavari, or Chris, our lead art director and level designer, should be sending over some new files for me in the future, so hopefully in the future we'll be able to do further playtesting in terms of how things actually function on a gameplay-based scale. That's all for now. Hopefully I'll send you some more updates in the future.